Hello everyone, my name is Wilken and I will be discussing a study on the impact of stress on consumers' willingness to pay. Stress is a companion in most consumers' lives. Between 20 and 25% of US Americans and Europeans consider themselves constantly suffering from high levels of stress. This is due to work, daily hassles, life events, consumption, and so on. On the level of an overall economy, the manifold negative physiological and psychological consequences of stress induce illnesses of all kinds. The resulting social costs are estimated at 0.2% of Europe's and 0.4% of the US gross domestic product. Despite these implications for marketing, stress remains a widely ignored situational factor of consumption-related activities. Extant research has mostly focused on its counterpart, relaxation. Relaxation increases monetary valuations of products. The theory behind this effect relates to consumers' construal level. Construal level is the level of abstraction with which consumers process information, for example about product features. When consumers are relaxed, they shift toward more abstract thinking, which accentuates their positive associations with a product. In contrast, stress should deteriorate product valuations. Our study responds to the demand for a better understanding of the behavioral consequences of stress by analyzing the impact of both stress and relaxation on consumers' monetary valuations of products. It offers three contributions. First, it determines the impact of stress on consumers' willingness to pay. This is a behavioral metric directly linked to purchase behavior. Second, this study tests different marketing methods that might manipulate consumers' stress levels. We will provide some details in the conclusion of this video. Third, we specify the effects of stress and relaxation with the construal level of products and product features. This helps us provide differentiated insights into the stress relaxation willingness to pay link, which in turn means negative effects of stress can be mitigated more effectively. Three empirical studies reveal the negative impact of consumer stress on willingness to pay. Construal level theory provides a theoretical underpinning for understanding and differentiating this impact. Relative to relaxed ones, stressed consumers shift their attention toward product features with low levels of construal because stress decreases their own construal levels. As a consequence, willingness to pay deteriorates with stress. However, this effect can be mitigated by the product category. A low level of construal for the overall product generates positive perceptions in stress conditions with a matching construal level. These perceptions contradict the negative perceptions produced by an attention shift toward product disadvantages or feasibility. Thus, the negative effect for a product with a low level of construal is much smaller, if existent at all, than that for a product with a higher level of construal. Several practical implications emerge from these findings. First, elevating consumers' levels of construal through measures targeted at decreasing stress levels would have a positive impact on willingness to pay. A relaxing store atmosphere could lower consumers' stress levels. At the same time, retailers should try to keep consumers from becoming stressed by their shopping experience. They can, for example, avoid informational ambiguity or advise staff not to press customers to defend their preferences. Alternatively, sellers could prime consumers' level of construal by asking high-level questions, such as why, rather than low-level ones, such as how. Second, marketeers might adjust their presentations to consumers' existing stress and construal levels. For example, retailers might alter in-store advertisements to match consumer stress and relaxation states. The information retailers present to consumers should have a similar level of construal as the consumers themselves do. When consumers are likely to feel stressed, for example in the evening after work, they have low levels of construal. In that case, highlighting low construal characteristics of products, such as technical details, will generate more positive perceptions and possibly mitigate the negative effect of stress. When consumers instead are likely to be relaxed, for example on the weekend, and have high level of control, describing product features at a high level of control may prompt more favorable evaluations. Third, in convenience stores located in areas where consumers are usually stressed, such as train stations, consumers likely have low control levels. These retailers would hence benefit from informing consumers about quick and easy choices available through their focused assortment. Fourth, consumer goods manufacturers also might make use of the additional effect of product control. If their products entail a low level of control, for example a vacuum cleaner or a washing machine, they should advertise them in places or at times consumers tend to be stressed. Products that invoke perceptions of a high level of control, so for example tablet computers, newspapers or sports cars, instead should be advertised in locations where consumers are relaxed. Finally, manufacturers could improve perceptions of products targeted at stressed consumers by ensuring the package designs match consumers' low control levels. This could be achieved by supplying enough concrete details highlighting positive low control features. I really hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other research videos.